Alright, keeping the train going. We got these older boxes. A tier 1 box with 36 packs, a lot to rip. I haven't opened any of these on here yet, but per usual, some SSPs, some SPs. Not hunting for anything in particular, it's just an old box. Figured I'd give it a shot before they're all like gone. They're obviously older, out of print, discontinued, whatever you want to call it. Crack you open. Box topper. Packs everywhere. Put you aside. Take a photo of you later. Oh, so many packs. Look at all that. Let's see. Start with the box topper. Nobu, just an SR, nothing crazy unfortunately. Alright, into the packs. I'm guessing tier 1 has been like 1 CP, 1 UR each box, and the rest SSRs, so you might just go through this kind of fast. Kind of boring and bland packs. There's any tells or if these bosses can get mapped. I've never seen this one before. Let's slow roll the rest of these just because some of these are older. Some I may have not seen before, you may have not seen before. Anything big? Alright, our first SSR. This is Tanjiro. Second SSR. And Goku. Here. Shinobu SSR. USR. Coco SSR. Nothing there. Tier 1s are tough ones. Good thing I found a buddy who will take my bulk. We get our CP and UR soon. Not here though. Sticky card. Maybe something. Ooh. SSR Mitsuri. Such a pretty SSR. One of the nicer ones. To the side. guess they show the offerings of the different prizes on the back of these packs too. Oh, something sticky. This is our Gyu. Creepy Enmu. Oh, something sticky. Ugh. This is our Tantra. Do that one. Goku, bloody as always. Red Donut, I think some people call him. Ooh, CP, I think I have this one though, which is a bummer. So far we got one CP from the box. Just what UR will we get? Ugh. Well, I have the energy to edit one of these videos to upload tonight. We'll see. Few more packs. So you are at. Oh, that's a nice SSR. Never seen that one before. Definitely new for me. Last 3 packs. No UR yet. Unless UR means SP, SSP. Ooh, this is our Coco. Second to last. Just the SR. Last pack magic. Didn't get one UR. What's the deal? Oh. Okay. Oh, this is the UR. Last pack. Shinobu. It's a dupe, unfortunately. Alright, let's go over the hits real quick. Starting with the SSRs. Not too many new ones for me. Still fun to open this box though. Got our UR. Follow up with our CP. All dupes that I need to sell. So if you're interested, let me know. I prefer to sell direct, but I do have my car on eBay. Hopefully you'll see some of those on there soon. Or I'll post these on Instagram too. You can buy directly from me there. But yeah. Alright. Thanks guys. And we got one more box coming right up. See you soon. Bye.